AI. You see, OpenAI powered Discord bots, ChatGPT chatbot live for any Discord, tons of customization and text to image. Try for free. They have a AI docs also where you can actually go through everything. They have ChatGPT in Discord, which has so many features. Like you can actually make this bot act like a funny guy or arrogant guy. What does ChatGPT? So you see there, OpenAI is premium. There are premium. So premium things, it is written premium. So normally, what a people think, what will a people think that you gotta buy something like buy, give a payment or give a fee for using this premium features. But actually, you don't need to. You just need to hold some decoders. Like it depends. The premium AI features is like holding five of these NFTs. One, two, three, four, five. Any five. You not only get all of these bots, you can add in any servers. Not only these bots, there are also tons of alpha bots and etc. And they are building now a shadow bot. Shadowbot, I don't know. It should be there. Like the recent tools, you can see. Yeah, here it is. A hassle-free 400 by simply following other trends. Join the Soul Decoder community where was collaborate Discord call signals and alpha for seamless Discord based trading. So you can actually trade within Discord with just simple clicks, and they are actually having the copy trading also. It will be up in 1 week or so. So then you can. This is the founder, Professor Decoder. He is the founder of Soul Decoder, and this shadowbot is gonna be great. I'll say, you see, and you get the in the Discord server you get so many premium callers where there are so many callers who charge like a monthly fee or something for their calls, so you get them for free in the Discord server if you just hold one of their NFTs or so. There are some other channels you get for 3 NFTs, so normally just holding 5 gives you everything, gives you every perks like the shadow bot or and all the AI bots and it engage to earn everything to add into your Discord server. This project is pretty sick. I'll say this is their website and this is very undervalued. There is a docs. You can invite the bot for free with the chat GPT. You can just use it for free. You just test it. So yeah, this was about Soul Decoder. And I guess it's a great choice to buy it because it's very undervalued. If you see that they have daily beats, email, let's say OpenAI, engage to the Shadowbot is not mentioned here as it is a recent update. Like it's the new innovation of Decoder. It will be updated soon.